নমস্কাৰ আপোনালোক সকলোলৈকে মোৰ এই চেনেলটোলৈ স্বাগতম জনাইছো এইটো লেকচাৰ নম্বৰ 8 on Fourier series today we are going to find a Fourier series for a discontinuous function here the function f of x is minus k when x is in between minus pi to 0 on the other hand the value of f of x is plus k when x is in between 0 to pi apart from that we have to prove that pi by 4 is equal to 1 minus 1 by 3 plus 1 by 5 minus 1 by 7 plus dot dot dot. Students, we know that when the function f of x is defined in the interval a to b, then Fourier series expansion of the function f of x is given by this relation. So next we are going to find out the first Fourier coefficient a naught. Here a naught is given by two divided by b minus a integration a to b f of x dx. According to this equation, the lower limit is minus pi and the upper limit is plus pi. So here a equal to minus pi and b equal to plus pi. So therefore b minus a will be equal to 2 pi. Okay? So this can be written as 2 divided by twice pi integration minus pi to plus pi f of x into dx. So after simplification we can write a naught as 1 by pi into integration minus pi to plus pi f of x into dx. Next let us split this integral into two parts. First part is from 0 to from minus pi to 0 and then from 0 to pi. Okay? So 1 by pi integration minus pi to 0. So according to this equation, when x is in between 0 to pi, the value of the function f of x is minus k. So minus k into dx plus 1 by pi into integration 0 to pi. From 0 to pi, the value of the function f of x is plus k. So this can be written as plus k into dx. Next, let us solve these two integrals. So after solving, we will get 1 by pi minus kx limit from minus pi to 0. Next, plus 1 by pi k into x limit from 0 to pi. So after simplification we will get the value of a naught as 0. Okay? So the first Fourier coefficient a naught for this problem is 0. Next let us find out the second Fourier coefficient an. We know an is equal to 2 divided by b minus a integration a to b f of x into cos twice n pi divided by b minus a into x into dx. So we know b minus a value is twice pi. So we can write 2 divided by twice pi integration minus pi to plus pi f of x into cos nx into dx. Because b minus a is twice pi will be cancelled out. So next let us split this integral. So we will get 1 by pi into integration minus pi to 0. From minus pi to 0 the value of the function f of x is minus k into cos nx into dx. Next integral is given by 1 by pi into integration 0 to pi. From 0 to pi, the value of the function f of x is plus k into cos nx into dx. So we will get 1 by pi into minus k into sin nx divided by n integration minus pi to 0 plus 1 by pi into k into sin nx divided by n, integration from 0 to pi. Next, if we put the limits and simplify, then we will get the value of the second Fourier coefficient kn as 0. ठीक है. Next, let us find out the third Fourier coefficient. ठीक है. So bn is given by 2 divided by b minus a integration a to b f of x into sin twice n pi divided by b minus a into x into dx. So this can be written as 2 divided by b minus a means twice pi. Integration, lower limit is minus pi and upper limit is plus pi, f of x into sin nx into dx. ठीक है. Next, let us split this integral. So we will get 1 by pi into integration minus pi to 0 f of x is minus k into sin nx into dx plus 1 by pi integration 0 to pi plus k into sin nx into dx. ठीक है. Next, let us solve this integral. So we will get 1 by pi into minus k into minus cos nx divided by n. The limit is from minus pi to 0 plus 1 by pi into integration into 1 by pi into plus k into minus cos nx divided by n. The limit is from 0 to pi. ठीक है. Next, let us put the limits. Here minus 1 into minus 1 is plus 1. So cos 0 divided by n means 1 by n minus cos minus pi divided by n means minus 1 whole to the power n divided by n. So this can be written as k by pi into 1 by n minus 1 whole to the power n divided by n, because cos n pi is always minus 1 whole to the power n. ठीक है. Next, let us solve this part. So this can be written as minus 1 into plus 1, so minus 1. So minus 1 by pi minus k by pi into cos n pi minus 1 whole to the power n divided by n minus cos 0 means 1 by n. ठीक है. Next, let us simplify these parts. So finally we will get bn as twice k divided by n pi into 1 minus 1 whole to the power n. ठीक है. Next, let us substitute the values of k naught, an and bn in the Fourier series expansion. So finally we will get f of x as a naught by 2 0. Second part will be 0. So third part will be summation n goes from 1 to infinity dn means twice k divided by n pi into 1 minus n whole to the power n into sin nx. Suppose this is equation number 1. ठीक है. So we have seen that the Fourier series expansion of the given discontinuous function will contain only sine terms. The first term and cosine terms will have 0 values. Next, move to second part. ठीक है? Let us put x equal to pi by 2 in equation number 1. Students, when x equal to pi by 2, then value of the function f of x will be plus k, because we know that the value of the function f of x will be plus k when x is in between 0 to pi. ठीक है? Since pi by 2 is in between 0 to pi, so therefore the value of the function f of x will be plus k. ठीक है? So equation 1 implies plus k equal to summation in plus k equal to twice k divided by pi into summation n goes from 1 to infinity 1 by n into 1 minus 1 whole to the power n into sin n into pi by 2. ठीक है? Here plus k and plus k will be cancelled out. So after simplification we can write pi by 2 equal to, next let us put n equal to 1 first. So first term will be 1 by 1 into 1 minus 1 whole to the power 1. So next sin 1 into pi by 2. Sin pi by 2 value is plus 1. So first term will be equal to 2. ठीक है? Next let us put n equal to 2. If we put n equal to 2, then 1 minus 1. So this term will be cancelled out. So next let us put n equal to 3. If we put n equal to 3, then we will get 1 by 3 into 2 into sin 3 pi by 2, value is minus 1. So minus 1. Next, if we put n equal to 4, again this term will be cancelled out. So next term will be 1 by 5 into 2 into plus 1. Next term will be 1 by 7 into 2 into minus 1 plus dot dot dot. Next let us take 2 as common. So we will get pi by 2 equal to 2 into 1 plus 1 minus 1 by 3 plus 1 by 5 minus 1 by 7 plus dot dot dot. So after simplification we will get pi by 4 equal to 1 minus 1 by 3 plus 1 by 5 minus 1 by 7 plus dot dot dot, which is the required series. ठीक है? Finally, I am giving 4 numerical problems as a homework. Please try to solve by yourselves. This is all about today's video, and I hope that you have learned a lot from this video.